it's hard to turn on the TV anymore and not get a little bit of anxiety about what's going on in the world. And so a lot of people have been asking a great question when they call and talk to me at first: is now the best time to be buying? Should I wait? What should I do? And I think you shouldn't wait because of several reasons. So it's a little scary out there. Yes, rates are a little higher right now, but there's a lot of experts that feel that when rates do come down, housing values are going to pop up by 8 to 10% again. So you want to be catching, obviously, the best pricing and locking into that, and then we can refinance you when the rates improve later. The other thing I wanted to draw back to is back in 2009 and 2010 when I was working in the market, we had people that couldn't sell their homes, and that's not an issue anymore. Inventory has been very stable. We still have a shortage in new construction, a shortage in rental, and a shortage in existing home sales. So at the time that we went through the foreclosure crisis, there was about 4 million homes listed. Right now, we have about 1 million homes listed on inventory on a national basis. Since then, about 30 million people also have been born. So we've had a huge population growth, and housing is even shorter limited than we saw at those times. Also, we have tighter loan programs. There's just not as many risky deals out there that there once were. And so you might hear some foreclosure data that sounds a little alarming, scary. The reality of it is that foreclosures are at one of the lowest levels that they've been at in many, many years. Now, we just had a report come out where they said real estate is declining, and that was big headline news for the newspapers, the media channels. News sells, you guys. Remember, they're selling drama, right? They want you to tune in and pay attention and hear what they have to say and catch your attention. So, however, if you look back to the last 120 months or so, we've seen real estate appreciate pretty consistently for the last 10 years, month over month. Remember, real estate is not a stock. We're not watching it on a daily basis. We're not a stockbroker. It's a long-term investment. If you know where you want to live and you feel confident about your employment situation and how that looks for you and your family, you should definitely buy a home, because if you don't, you are missing out on generational wealth. Let us help you today.